Rediscovering the hidden charm of old antiques has become one of the most exciting movements in modern home decor. People no longer want mass-produced furniture that lacks personality, they want pieces with stories, character, and soul. That's why transforming abandoned antiques into stylish interiors has skyrocketed in popularity. The process begins with developing the eye to spot potential. Often, the most extraordinary decor pieces start as forgotten items buried under dust in old attics, thrift stores, flea markets, or even abandoned storage units. These items may look worn out at first, but behind the scratches, faded finishes, and rusted edges lies craftsmanship that modern furniture simply can't replicate. Hand-carved wood, antique ironwork, vintage hardware, thick glass, and unique shapes are all indicators of value waiting to be rediscovered. Welcome back to Kuki Décor, the home of daily inspiration where old, forgotten, and abandoned treasures find new life. Today, we begin with a warm invitation into a world where creativity meets history, where dusty antiques, neglected vintage pieces, and overlooked relics are lovingly transformed into stylish, modern decor with remarkable profit potential. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join our growing family of creators, makers, and decor lovers. Every single day, we share fresh ideas, transformations, and design inspiration that can help you turn ordinary objects into extraordinary masterpieces. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's begin this beautiful journey of bringing abandoned treasures back to life. The journey of upcycling abandoned antiques starts with developing the eye to spot potential. Many old pieces may look worn, damaged, or outdated at first glance, but beneath the dust and decay lie incredible possibilities. Solid wood, hand-carved details, brass fittings, vintage hardware, thick glass, and unique architectural shapes all add value that modern mass-produced decor simply can't match. Whether it's an old wooden chair missing a leg, a rusty lamp base, a broken drawer, or a warped picture frame, each item carries a history that can be revived and celebrated. The first step is simply learning to imagine the final result before the restoration even begins. This creative vision transforms forgotten relics into future masterpieces. Once the treasure is found, restoration becomes the heart of the transformation. Cleaning off years of dirt, polishing faded wood, sanding damaged surfaces, and repairing broken parts can reveal textures and beauty that haven't been seen in decades. Each step is both an art and a labor of love. Some pieces only need gentle cleaning to shine again, while others demand bold creativity, new paint, fresh stains, metallic accents, or modern fixtures. An old chair can become a sculptural decor piece with the right finish. A rusty lamp base can turn into a stylish table lamp by pairing it with a modern shade. A battered dresser can be reborn into a minimalist statement piece with black hardware and smooth wood tones. With creativity, even the most neglected antique can become the centerpiece of a contemporary home. Upcycled antiques bring an unmatched blend of charm and elegance to modern interiors. Today's interior design trends embrace the idea of mixing old and new. Placing a rustic vintage piece in a sleek, contemporary room creates contrast, depth, and visual storytelling. A refurbished antique trunk can become a stunning coffee table that instantly becomes a conversation starter. A vintage ladder can be repurposed into a chic blanket holder or shelving unit. An old mirror frame, once faded and forgotten, can be gilded or repainted to become a luxurious wall piece. Vintage suitcases can be transformed into bedside tables, and old sewing machine stands can be turned into unique console tables. These creative transformations add character and soul to any space while honoring the craftsmanship of the past. These upcycled treasures play beautifully into today's interior design trends, which celebrate mixing past and present. A restored trunk becomes a coffee table rich with character. A vintage door transforms into a headboard full of rustic charm. A broken drawer becomes a floating shelf filled with personality. Even simple items like candle holders, picture frames, or lamp parts can be reimagined into decor pieces that catch the eye and spark conversation. Modern homes love contrast, and nothing brings warmth to a sleek interior quite like a thoughtfully restored antique. If you're enjoying these inspiring ideas and want more daily transformations, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to Kuki Décor. Your support helps us continue creating and sharing these creative journeys every day. Let's keep inspiring each other. Beyond beauty and creativity, upcycling abandoned antiques can also be incredibly profitable. Most antiques can be acquired cheaply, sometimes even for free, because people fail to see their potential. With restoration, each item increases dramatically in value. Homeowners love one-of-a-kind decor pieces that aren't available in stores, giving upcycled items a huge market advantage. Selling your restored antiques on platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, or at local craft markets can turn a simple hobby into a thriving business. The more creative and unique your transformation, the higher the profit will be. To maximize your earnings, pay attention to trending decor styles. Matte black finishes, natural wood tones, gold accents, rustic textures, Scandinavian simplicity, and modern farmhouse aesthetics are highly popular right now. Choose finishes and designs that feel fresh yet timeless. Photograph your finished pieces beautifully styled in natural light with minimal backgrounds to make them irresistible to buyers. Consistency in your design style also builds your brand and encourages repeat customers. Upcycling isn't just about profit, it's also about sustainability and preserving craftsmanship. Every antique you rescue is one less object heading to landfill. Every piece restored honors the hands that built it decades ago. Upcycling reduces waste, supports eco-friendly living, and contributes to a greener world. This conscious approach to decor is becoming more valuable to homeowners, making your creations even more appealing in today's marketplace. Creativity flows freely in antique upcycling because there are no rules. You can transform items into completely new functions: a chair into a plant stand, a suitcase into a side table, a ladder into shelving, a damaged mirror frame into wall art, or a sewing machine base into a luxury desk. Even leftover scraps, like brass handles, wooden planks, or metal gears, can become decorative pieces or artistic accents. Each project challenges you to think beyond traditional uses and imagine what else the object can become. At Kuki Décor, this blend of creativity, restoration, sustainability, and profit inspires every video we create. Every day, we share new DIY ideas, step-by-step tutorials, transformation videos, reclaimed wood projects, and antique restoration guides that help you unlock your creativity. We believe that anyone can learn to upcycle antiques, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, and our goal is to support you through every step. Together, we turn trash into treasure, forgotten items into showpieces, and abandoned relics into profitable decor. Each piece you restore becomes a story of transformation, one that blends history with modern design. The scratches and imperfections tell stories from the past, while your creative touch writes a new chapter. An upcycling antique is more than a craft. It's a meaningful connection between old and new, memory and innovation, waste and artistry. It's a reminder that beauty often hides in unexpected places, waiting for someone with imagination to rediscover it. As we wrap up today's journey of breathing life back into abandoned treasures, we hope you feel inspired to look at old objects differently, to see their potential, their charm, and their value. Whether you're upcycling for your home or building a business for profit, remember that each project is a chance to express your creativity and make sustainable, stylish decor accessible to everyone. Thank you so much for watching today's episode on Kuki Décor. If you enjoyed this transformation journey, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily decor ideas and upcycling inspirations. Drop a comment and share which project inspired you the most or what treasures you'd like us to revive next. Until tomorrow's video, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep giving old pieces a beautiful new life. Your creativity can change the world one antique at a time.